now is available at McCarthycars. Range Rover Sport 2010 metallic black. Car has front headlight washer, front fog lights, front parking sensor, 20-inch alloy wheels, side steps, privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensor, got reversing camera. It's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX child seat preparation. It's got rear heated seats, aux connection. Harman Kardon premium sound system. Got memory seats, full electric seats, electric rumble support. 4 electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. It's got reversing camera. It's got Bluetooth phone connection, 4-wheel drive mode, DAB radio, iPod USB aux connection. Push button to start, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders, 4-wheel drive mode. It's got a fridge, USB and iPod connection. Thank you for watching.